Welcome to Text University. In this quick walkthrough, we're exploring the chatting settings in TextApp, your control panel for how real-time conversations flow across your support team, designed to help you automate, streamline, and organize your chat operations. Let's take a look. First, there's Chat Assignment. This feature ensures that incoming chats are distributed fairly across available teammates, so no one gets overwhelmed and customers aren't left waiting. Next up is Transcript Forwarding, which allows you to send a copy of the chat conversation to a selected email address. It's a simple way to keep an archive of chats in your email inbox or keep someone in the loop. Then there's File Sharing, which lets your team and customers send documents, screenshots, and other attachments directly in chat. This is especially useful for handling detailed questions or troubleshooting in real time. Inactivity timeouts help clean up your queue. If a visitor goes silent, the chat can automatically become inactive and then close after a set period, so your team can stay focused on active conversations. Or, in case your agent stops responding, the conversation can automatically be transferred to another person so that your customer doesn't have to wait. Lastly, there are chat tags. These allow you to categorize and organize your chats. You can use them to filter results in archives, as well as narrow down data in reports. That's your overview of the chatting settings in TextApp. This section helps you create a faster, more organized, and more predictable live support experience for your team and customers. If you need help fine-tuning your setup, just visit text.com and chat with our team. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.